I normally try to stay away from this side of the kitchen because there's a lot of shit over here, and that's what it is. But today I have to make something using a food processor, so here we are, because this is my only plug. But I'm going to make some hummus because I wanted to make some schnitzel, and can't have schnitzel without hummus. So here we go. I am going to save all of my juice from the garbanzo beans because I'm going to use that to help the processing. I'm also going to throw water in there. But I'm going to start by throwing in our chickpeas. A bit of tahini. This is not prepared. So it's just tahini in the raw. A bit of our garbanzo bean juice. Salt. A little bit of garlic powder. White pepper. You can use black pepper as well, but I like the white pepper in this. Paprika, because I like it. Onion powder. A little bit of cayenne pepper, because, again, I'm a spicy bitch. Turmeric, because I enjoy this in here. You do not have to put any of these in here other than salt, pepper, and this last one is citric acid or lemon salt. You do want to have a bit of that in there. I thought that I had the video running. I added some lemon juice in here as well, about half a lemon, just to start with. We're going to start this and then see if we need to change anything up. That worked way faster than I was expecting, but I do need some more liquid in there. It's about a quarter can of water. I'm going to add some more tahini. A little more liquidy than I generally like, so I'm going to add another can of garbanzo beans to thicken this up. Should be able to do that, and I'll leave a ring. This tastes pretty good already. Oh, that tastes really good already. What do I want to add? I don't think I need to add anything. I just realized I didn't put any olive oil in, so I'm going to put some in there. Quite a bit smoother as well. I'm used to making my hummus in a blender because I just got this food processor. This thing works like a fucking dream. It just took me like 3 minutes to make this hummus, and it normally takes me like 10. Mm. I'm going to top this a little bit more turmeric. Paprika. We're going to fill that well with olive oil.